De Rust Private Nature Reserve is situated 25 kilometers outside of Welkom and just 2.5 hours from Johannesburg. De Rust offers a wide range of accommodation, from self-catering chalets to log cabins a guest house and a hunting lodge. A caravan park and camping facilities are also available. De Rust can cater for up to 300 guests and accommodate 60, ideal for corporate functions or events. De Rust also has its own wedding chapel, which makes it the ideal venue for weddings. Has a fully licensed bar and restaurant with dedicated chefs that prepare exquisite meals. De Rust has over 30 different species of game, including exotic species. These can be experienced through game drives and hiking trails. For the more adventurous, hunting facilities are available. The new owner, Frans Vermaas, a well-known businessman and professional hunter in his own right, invites you to De Rust for the holiday getaway you will never forget.